What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video, I want to share with you step-by-step process of how we earn income in the online space, and hopefully, it can give you a lot of clarity on what business to actually choose and for you to get that financial freedom that you're actually looking for. To a lot of people, financial freedom means a lot differently, right? Some people, they can be earning like $10,000 a month, and to them it might be a lot of money. And for some people they can be earning like close to $1 million in a month and still might not be enough, right? So in your own mind, in your own heart, and on your own budget, you got to look at what actually financial freedom means to you. Okay, to me, financial freedom is the things that I want to do at that certain time rather than tied to a job, right? That's financial freedom to me. And I wanted to utilize the time to the best of my ability, right? Money, you can always get it back, but the lost time, you cannot ever get back. Okay. So that's the most precious things to me. And the reason I pursue financial freedom is because if I can actually generate income without being there, and that income is actually coming to me while I'm actually sleeping, and that can actually allow me to have all the time that I can have, where I can not just be focusing on creating money, right? I can be pretty much start something that's actually giving me passive income, generating on an ongoing basis, which can actually give me the time for me to allow me to do the things that I want to do. Okay. To me, that's actually financial independence and freedom. Okay. Which actually comes when I actually put in the work. Okay. So to you, financial freedom might mean a lot of different things, right? To me, it means totally different things. Okay. So how do I actually earn in the online space? So the very first way that I actually earn income in the online space is through creating content on YouTube, okay, which is totally passive. And pretty much all I'm doing is probably about 2 3 hours in a week, sometimes 5 hours in a week. And I have multiple faceless channels running at the same time. And pretty much what I do actually give my team video ideas for them to create videos for my channel, and I also give them access to the channel. They managing the channel for me, and I have channel managers, I have script writers, I have voiceover artists, and I have thumbnail designers. So pretty much it's like a whole setup, and the team is actually creating the videos, which I actually give them ideas on, and they create the videos, they upload on the channel. And when they upload the videos on the channel, we get views on those videos, and from those views we make money. Okay, some channels we make a lot of money, some channels not so much. Some channels we keep for testing purposes, and some channels we are actually running for our done for you clients. Okay, so make sure to stay till the end, because at the end I wanted to give you something awesome that will add a lot of value to you. Okay, and let me also know in the comment section what business are you also into, and I would like to know, so that way I can actually better connect with you. If you want to ask me any question, you can leave in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer. So let me share with you my screen so I can share with you some of the results for our YouTube automation channel, and also some of it might be for our done for you clients. I'm not going to be sharing like all channels. Okay, I'm just going to be sharing with you the mostly recently started channel, and you can actually see the results for yourself, so which can actually allow you to believe, is this the business that you want to take and also pursue as well. Okay, so let me share with you my screen, so I can actually give you like a deep dive on some of the results. And these results are not typical, guys. This is through my own hard work. And if you're just looking for, quick cash, this business might not be for you. Right, there's no guarantee in whatever business you choose or do. All the results actually comes through your own hard work. Okay, so let me share with you my screen. So hopefully you can share my screen. Hopefully you can see the screen. So this is one of our channel that we actually started not so long ago. I think just yesterday I checked the figures and I took the screenshot from the channel. So in the last 28 days on this one, we made about close to $13,000, 700. So this month on the projected like 28 days, it gave us this much. And end of this month, we hoping to increase the number with the also increasing the view. Okay, so this channel we started. But now I'm going to be showing you some of our channels that's we actually doing for some of our done for you clients. So this channel started popping up. I only got like I think 7 or 9 videos and getting like 47,000 views just in a single day, and you can see the 48-hour window. And this is only a small channel. It's got like 1,400 subs and increasing daily as well, right? So I'd say in the month or two, I'll also share with you like the whole analytics of the channel, so you can actually see for yourself how we're actually growing this channel. Here's some of our channels that we started for done for you client. So you can see the views on this channel: 792,000 views, 168,000 in a single day. The views wise, right? This channel we're growing it organically, and it's going to be monetized very, very soon. This for one of our clients. And another channel that we also started at the same time, it's only got like 2-4. So this is a shorts based channel and it's pretty much growing very, very fast. So we at the point of hitting like $5 a day, and with more views we're gonna get more income coming in as well, right? So I'm really, really excited to actually grow this channel, because every time I start a new channel, I upload videos, I get like a massive dopamine hit when the channel starts getting a lot of traction, okay, which is awesome. And we're gonna be also, what you're gonna be doing is pretty much creating multiple income streams through that, the music royalties, sponsorship, affiliate as well, right? Digital products that we can also be promoting. So that's in the pipeline as well. So as we go and increase our channels revenue and also our done for clients channels revenue as well, I'm gonna be documenting like step by step of how we starting our channels and also scaling as well. Okay, so thank you so much for staying till the end. If you want to get access to like how we actually growing this channel from the step from the ground zero to step by step to scaling it up, you can join in this description section below to our free community, where I provide a lot of value. In the classroom section, there's like step-by-step process of how we actually building these channels, so you can actually see for yourself and take action and start creating a passive income business for yourself and also for your family. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one. God bless and bye for now. Ta-da.